Welcome to Rizal University, where we continuously strive to enhance the learning experience for our students. For academic year 2023 to 2024, we are excited to introduce to you to our Modified HyFlex Learning, a carefully crafted approach that draws from our experiences during the pandemic and beyond.
Our college and senior high school students will experience a dynamic blend of learning environment, with approximately 50% of their classes conducted online and the other 50% face-to-face. This allows for flexibility and adaptation based on the specific class requirements and instructor recommendations, always in adherence to government regulations.
Lab classes will remain 100% face-to-face, ensuring students have the opportunity for practical and immersive experiences. However, there's still room for a slight flexibility as our academic heads work together to create the best learning environment possible. Exceptions to these guidelines may be approved in advance by the respective dean or principal with full communication to our university schedulers.
At the elementary and junior high school levels, we recognize the importance of face-to-face interaction in developing social skills, emotional intelligence, and critical thinking abilities. For now, our primary mode of delivery will be 100% face-to-face, supported by Modified HyFlex Learning as needed.
Our divisions continue to research and explore appropriate delivery method, ensuring that we strike the perfect balance between face-to-face learning and Modified HyFlex Learning. Should our elementary and junior high school divisions recommend a shift towards Modified HyFlex Learning by mid-year, adjustments will be made to their student accounts for online learning-related fee.
To ensure academic integrity and interaction, all major assessments such as monthly, prelim, midterms, and finals will be conducted face-to-face unless otherwise exempted by the VP for Academic Affairs.
Our law school will primarily utilize online methods with assessment determined by the faculty and approved by the Dean of Law School. Faculty members have the freedom to schedule face-to-face sessions or combine face-to-face and online elements as they see fit with prior notifications to the Dean.
Our graduate school offers a mix of online and face-to-face sessions, providing flexibility to our students. For international students, we ensure compliance with the requirements of foreign ministries of education, maintaining primarily face-to-face delivery as needed.
Our Modified HyFlex Learning setup fosters a safe, effective, accommodating learning environment for all students. We firmly believe that this approach will empower our students to excel and embrace the future with confidence.
Join us on this exciting journey of learning and growth.
Find your inner hero at Rizal University.